Hello, my name is Hajo Chana.
And my name is Kartik Murali, and today our documentary will be on golden rice.
Golden rice is a genetically modified rice variety. This rice has been developed to prevent vitamin A deficiency in countries that are largely affected by famine and other forms of nutrition deficiencies. Engineers have added a chemical compound known as beta-carotene that is naturally found in many fruits and vegetables. Beta-carotene has abundant amounts of vitamin A. The rice has been genetically engineered to contain the beta-carotene in the edible parts of the rice. Fruits and vegetables containing beta-carotene often have a yellowish color, hence the name golden rice. The color difference between the two can easily be seen in this picture. The rice on the left-hand side is regular rice. The rice on the right-hand side is clearly seen to be golden rice, easily distinguished by its golden color. In terms of size and shape, both rice are exactly the same. Now let's move on to introducing the article. The article that we will be looking at today is Golden Rice, Scientific, Regulatory, and Public Information Processes of a Genetically Modified Organism. The authors are Other key information includes the date of publication, which was the 21st of January 2015, and the DOI. This article is an independently published scientific article. This article addresses some of the issues organizations have with golden rice and informs us of how these issues are baseless and something we need not worry about. Now let's move on to the science contained within the topic. To understand the science contained within the topic, we must learn three new key terms. The first key term is beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is the yellow/orange pigment that occurs in fruits and vegetables, which give them their colors. This pigment is often found in pumpkin, sweet potatoes, and carrots. H. Wackenroder was a gentleman who discovered this, and he found it in carrot roots, explaining the name beta-carotene. The body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is essential for us. The second key term is genome. The genome is the organism's full set of DNA that includes all the genes. The last key term is vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin extremely important for vision. Vitamin A is an imperative vitamin required for vision as it is necessary for functions carried out by the retinal receptors, conjunctival membrane, and the cornea. Vitamin A comes in two forms, preformed vitamin A and provitamin A carotenoids. The most essential one for the human body is the provitamin A carotenoids, in which beta-carotene is the most essential of all. The following chart shows some of the benefits of vitamin A to the human body. Now let's move on to the science contained within the topic. Now let us move on to the science contained within this topic. I will start by how golden rice is able to produce vitamin A. Golden rice was first made in 1999 by the scientists Ingo Potrykus and Peter Bayer. It was made by adding daffodil and bacteria DNA to the rice's genome. Rice is naturally able to make beta-carotene, however this does not occur in the edible part of the rice, the grain. Beta-carotene synthesis occurs in the leaves, which is not edible. The grain also contains all the things necessary to make beta-carotene, however this is turned off. To turn beta-carotene synthesis back on, two genes are added to the genome of the grain. These genes are a plant biotin synthase and a bacterial biotin desaturase. With these two genes added into the grain is then able to synthesize beta-carotene once again. With the synthesis of beta-carotene, the grain turns to a yellow-gold color, hence its name golden rice. A yellow-gold color is often found in fruits and vegetables such as carrots, which naturally contains beta-carotene. Now this may be slightly confusing, but this is science. This is why rabbits don't wear glasses, due to their high intake of carrots. The quality of this science is very high, as golden rice is something that has the backing of many countries such as the Philippines and many independent researchers. Now let's talk about why this discovery is significant. This is significant as vitamin A deficiency is a cause of blindness in many people. This is especially prevalent in developing countries where nutrition is poor. Vitamin A deficiency is a leading cause of blindness in children and a major cause of diseases in newborns. Vitamin A deficiency mainly affects small children and pregnant women in developing countries. The lack of vitamin A also weakens the immune system, hence small infections can turn into major ones. By giving out golden rice seeds to local farmers, this deficiency can be easily handled. Residents of the country then can have the recommended intake of golden rice, which will build the vitamin A levels inside them. The International Agency for the Prevention of Blindness states that 1/3 of the world's blind reside in Southeast Asia. Rice being a staple food in Southeast Asia makes the implementation of golden rice into Southeast Asia very easy. Golden rice is grown in the same way as regular rice is, making this implementation even easier. If rice has been genetically modified, it raises the question of what other foods can be genetically modified. To the surprise of many, the foods we eat every day may be genetically modified. Corn is one of the biggest genetically modified foods available on the market. Approximately 85% of corn grown in the US has been genetically modified. This figure is similar in most countries. This is an extremely high percentage of genetically modified corn available in the market. Another crop which has been heavily genetically modified is canola. From canola is derived canola oil, which is commonly found in ready-made products such as snacks and margarine. In Western Australia, 30% of all canola farms are of genetically modified canola. It has been common belief that genetically modified fruits and vegetables are modified to contain more vitamins and nutrients. However, most genetically modified fruits and vegetables are designed to be resistant to herbicide and pesticide. This is a different change when compared to golden rice.